everybody, and welcome as usual to the Geek Lounge. This person up down here. Anywho, today we have something a little bit special because see, people say that I'm not very good at games. So what I'm going to do is cheat time, go to the future, and I've been to the future and I've brought back myself from another 20 years time or so. Pierre me, future me, Pierre. Hello, future me.
Hello.
This is me in 20 years time or so.
Better looking at that.
So, let's see. Am I still terrible at games? About to find out. Right. I'll let you into a little secret. This is not actually future me. It's actually my dad. So it is future me in a way.
Yes, so it is.
And he's been playing this game tonight for about half an hour for the first time in how many years? 1981, roughly. 83. Yeah. So a good 32 years or so. And he's been having fun with it. He's just landed it actually, just before we started filming. He actually managed to land it, so let's see if he can this time again.
Here we go.
Off you go, future me. Dun, dun, dun. Now I get to criticise and laugh. He hasn't even handled a Vic for 20 years. Because you threw my Vic away at the skip just before I came to get it. You didn't think anybody wanted it anymore. But I've got two now, so it's alright. Oh, not doing very well here.
Have to give a person a chance.
It's how many chances you give, that's the problem. Oh, you're dead.
Missed.
Oh, you're dead. Oh.
I've not improved much, have I, over the years?
No, I'm still rubbish in the future. Oh dear. Steve Benway's got me beat.
Right. We'll try.
May have to edit this together to find one way to actually does work. Oh yeah. Dun, dun, dun. The suspense is killing me. Probably the beer's killing me as well, but there we go. Amazing this game. These days I don't think you could launch a game like this because yeah, you're a bit more sensitive. What a selfish bastard to destroy all these people's lives and all these buildings just so you can survive. It's a terrible game really, isn't it? Oh!
No.
Look at the scale of the building to the houses.
I know.
Tiny people, huge pilots. You must have to be a huge pilot to play in this game.
See why they call it Blitz now, isn't it?
Oh, it keeps giving you big ones. I could swear it used to give you an option for different levels of difficulty.
It did.
What do you think, Minion?
Try and put me off now.
Or did I do that?
Yes.
I think it's going to lose.
Hey?
I think it's going to lose. So what do you think of the PlayStation 50?
Very nice.
Is it?
I wouldn't know, to be honest.
Oh, they're only on 49, I forgot that, sorry.
I'm not having much luck at this now.
I'll give you one more go, and then we'll write you off as rubbish.
Okay. Fair enough, fair enough. Right.
You ought to see his face when we first suggested doing a game. Video. alright then.
That one.
Ooh, good suspense. Gotta get that one. Ooh.
That's a no-no.
Oh, the suspense in this game's killing me.
No, that's it.
you're
I'm
dead.
lost. I'm down.
He's rubbish.
I'm down.
Kill him off. Useless. Oh, God.
I'll never make a pilot.
Oh, why did I spend so much energy bringing him in for the future? Vortex, send him back!
I apologise. I
Send him
apologise.
back! Well, we're going to have to do a conclusion bit now. You're going to have to get back on the camera and tell them how rubbish you are. Hang on. I'll be right back. Right, so, in conclusion, you, sir, are rubbish. Apologise to my channel.
All I can do is apologise, people. I tried my best. I really did, but it got on top of me. I couldn't cope with it. I do apologise.
And he's not used to a camera sticking in his face.
No, no.
So, thanks very much to Dad. Thanks to him, you got me.
Bye bye.
And yeah, back into the future. Off we go. Go. Thank you very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.